We'll guide you through how to turn off Do Not Disturb on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Do Not Disturb can be a really great feature, as it can go and stop you from being disturbed, perhaps while you're sleeping or working, because it's going to stop all notifications, calls and messages from coming through. But it has got a time and a place, because sometimes I want those to come through and I don't want to end up missing them, which in this case is starting to go and happen. So I want to go and turn this feature off so I start getting those calls, messages and notifications again. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's just step by step, as you've got different ways you can go about it as well if one of them doesn't work for you. So for the first way, what you need to do is go and head to the top right of your iPhone, find the battery and drag down on it like so. This opens the control center. Now you want to go over to the left and you can see Do Not Disturb here, and you can go and tap on it to go and turn it off, and then tap it at the top like so. Or you can just go and press the icon here and that will go and turn it off as well. Alternatively, you can ask Siri. So tap and hold the side button. Turn off Do Not Disturb.
Do Not Disturb is already turned off.
You can see it's already turned off, but otherwise you could go and do it there and go and turn it off. It's that simple. What you can also do is come into your settings like so, and you need to come down. You'll be at the top here. Scroll down and you need to go and find the option for focus, and you want to go and tap in here like so. If there's a schedule for it, we can go and turn that off. So what you need to do is go and find the option for Do Not Disturb at the top. You can then scroll down, and in this case, I've got a schedule here. It is turned off, but what you can do is go and switch it off like so. And in fact, you can go and completely delete it as well. Because as I said, it can be annoying if you could end up missing important things from it. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We upload videos like this every single day. So make sure you stay subscribed to go and get loads more how-tos. And I look forward to help you with your next tech problem. We help you out with all types of things, from games to software to iPhone to Android. It doesn't matter. We want to go and help you out. I look forward to catch you again in the next one when we can next solve your tech problem. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.